Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Spethu Thato mnandi njam.
Mnandi wena Khotmane.
100 igame ulibone kanjani vandag?
I don't think it was the best performance today, yabo. Yeah, we have a couple of players who actually stood out who came here today. Overall as a team, I don't think it's like grand because it seemed as if siyabahlonipha labantu yabo. Like asiyanga pound for pound now. Yabo, so I wouldn't say we played well. And also consider 5 minutes additional time. Actually, it's not an ideal time to concede. So overall, I don't think it was our best performance today.
So people njaya mucabanga ukuthi asiperformanga grand because of the coach or it was just the boys nje?
You would say it was just the boys. Also, Canada isn't a plane, man. La yabo. They maybe basibukelile a couple of times. Babona ukuthi bangaslimaza kuphi and bangakhona ukusikhatha out kuphi in terms of danger yethu. So I think the game plan from Canada was spot on, and also our boys angazi man, they just gave them the respect deserve today.
Don't you think coach Hugo Broos ngokudonsa urile like second half you saw bewadonsa urile wafaka uTalent Mbatha? What's your thoughts on that one?
I am failing to understand why coach Hugo Broos athanda ukusapurile yabo. Their substitution seemed as if ufuna ungena ku defense mode. You understand? Akasafuni ukulanda labantu like pound for pound. I don't think we really deserve to Puma because he didn't have a bad game or a bad first half. So actually as a player, I honestly speaking, I'm a question mark for you because I'm failing to understand why.
Yeah. So yeah, overall, like for Bafana good World Cup, do you think they were disappointment or are you proud of them?
I'm proud of Bafana considering the history last week. It wasn't the best tournament, but we've learned a lot and it hasn't helped no good team. I'll check our players squad in like age-wise. You know, Ime Okon Mbokazi, 22 years old, 21 years old. Unorile is also young. Snamachita, who are Mremi, also Chapelo Maseko. Amachita, yeah, they are young. And for the experience of actually World Cup, I think they'll help us in the future. Yeah.
Yeah, man, who was the standout vandag?
Obviously, TLP standout performer throughout the tournament, in my opinion. There's Kapena. No, it's exceptional. He had a good tournament. Yeah, for me, a standout performer.
So ucabanga ukuthi no really bayavaya bangara Europe?
Yeah, I have. Really is going, that's for sure. Really is going. He has to go. He has to go. Really yamba. And we thank him for everything as Ipagania also. Yeah, we thank him. No, really. Yeah, bye-bye. Akasabui.
Nizwile Mzansi. Bye-bye. We are proud of you, Buffett. We are proud of you. Thank you, people.